our channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use your smoke thread on a fabric, how to smoke your clothes. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using a normal thread. This is our normal thread, and then you're also going to be needing a smoked thread. So you can call it an elastic thread. So can you see how stretchy it is? So it's different from this normal thread. This is a normal thread, and this is the smoke thread, which is also called the elastic thread. The first thing you're going to do is to get ready the fabric you're going to be smoking. You would have been done cutting and doing everything you need to do. Now after that, you're going to get your smoke thread. This is it, and get your bobbin. Okay, so you're going to reel your smoke thread on your bobbin like this. This is the bobbin. Can you see, guys? So you're going to be reeling this on it with your hand. Okay, you're going to put it this way and then just go ahead and reel it. Make sure you don't pull it too hard. Okay, don't pull it, just hold it this way and then start reeling it like this on your bobbin until the bobbin is full. Okay, so you're just going to continue like this. It depends on the amount of fabric you're working on, so you can reel like 2 or 3 bobbin. Okay, so here I already have like 2 reeled out already. I have 2 reeled out already, and then so I'm just going to go ahead and set this one outside because I don't actually need this one. I just want to illustrate how you can reel it on your bobbin. Okay, so right on top of your machine, you need a normal thread on top of your machine. So you're going to put this on top of your machine while this is going inside the bobbin. Okay, I don't know if you understand. You're going to put this on your bobbin, and then you're going to put this on top of your machine. The next thing you're going to do is to make sure that the tension of your bobbin case is not too tight. So just go ahead and loosen it up a little bit like this. Okay, just loosen it up a little bit. Make sure it's not too tight and it's not too loose. Okay, so once you're done doing that, you're just going to grab your bobbin like this and then insert this into it. Insert your bobbin inside the bobbin case and just reel it out like this. Make sure that this thread is easy to pull like this. As you're pulling it, is moving. Okay, so once you're done, go ahead and insert it inside your machine like this. So you can do the same thing when you are using a manual machine. Okay, so I'm going to just start working now. So this is the region I'm going to be smoking on those clothes. Can you see, guys? So this I already marked the part I'm going to be smoking. I don't know if you can see. It's like 2 inches. So I'm going to be smoking like 5 to 6 lines on this part. Okay, so I'll start smoking from here and I'll stop at this part. I'm going to do the same thing to the back also. So I'm going to start by smoking on this first line first, all the way to the end, and then I'm going to come here and smoke here, here, and also on this last line. Okay, so I'll start from here and end here. Okay, so now let's start smoking. So holding your thread like this, you're just going to go ahead and pick like this, and then this is the smoke thread. You're going to pick it out like this, and then just take it backward like this, and then put on your machine and let's get started. So I'm going to start by doing this one. So from here, I'm going to place it like this and then start smoking. You're going to secure. So once you're done securing, then you're going to start smoking. So at first, it's not going to be making sense. Okay, it's not going to be gathering like you want. But the more you do this, the more it's going to be, creating that smoky effect. Okay, so you're going to just continue smoking like this. Okay? Just keep going. Take your time. Please don't rush. Okay, just going to keep going like this on the line. Okay, that's why it is important for you to draw out your line, so the line just guides you while you do your stitching. Okay, let's continue like this. Okay, so once you get to the line, you're just going to secure like this and then cut your thread. Okay, I'm going to cut the lower part also. So this is what we have after the first one. You see it's gathering gradually, but the effect has not really showed. Okay, so now I'm going to go for the second time. Start by securing the first, and I'm going to continue doing. this is the last one. I already have a video on the channel where I taught how to make this glass from start to finish. Okay, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box, okay, for you guys to check it out. This is what we've got when we're done. Can you see? Can you see? By the time you are doing it continuously, you're going to be seeing the effects. It's going to be gathering it. Okay, can you see? Can you see? I don't know if you can see. Let me bring it closer. Can you see the effects? Can you see, guys? So this is the back. Can you see? So if you find this video helpful, I will encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever we publish any video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.